I'm Chef Kai, showing you today how to prepare a wonderful, nourishing beverage. We use a little bit of goat yogurt, fantastic quality, some fresh papaya, some bee pollen, which is available in every health store around the corner, and honey. Okay, and this is a really simple one. I mean, there's no need to juice anything, because you just buy these ingredients, prepare them, and then you're already done and ready to blend them. Okay, so let's add a few ice cubes, but I don't want to add too much, because otherwise we're gonna water down the flavor of the goat yogurt, you know. Great. So, we're gonna add the yogurt now. Let's say we go with 250, so we have about room for 100 grams of papaya, okay? Well, we have beautiful fruits here in Thailand. I hope you're gonna get some really nice sweet papaya just like we have here. That would be really great for you, okay? Maybe a thin slice as well. And of course, we're gonna add some honey. Honey's gonna give the sweet note. We're gonna blend this now, and then we will be ready to serve. Anyways, so beautiful color, isn't it? Smells fantastic. The yogurt and papaya is a very nice mix. Okay, so let's feel this in, and look how smooth this is. Just great. But it's almost like an entire meal itself, you know. Next, we're gonna take some of our nice bee pollen here and just put this rich on top, so you can mix them by yourself. That's a nice little crunch. It's a really nice taste. Okay, so for garnish, I have prepared here a watermelon heart, and as it's almost the same color, maybe we add a little piece of trimmed pineapple. So on the side, so we have 3 different colors, and boy, that looks delicious. Here we go, our papaya bee with goat yogurt. Please enjoy.